I'm going to be using PowerPoint to create images on an 8.5 by 11 scale as a series of pages in a coloring book. The front and back cover are very finicky in that Amazon expects them to be a very specific dimension, and the front and back pages have to be in a single image. I don't want to use their designer tool to create a cover. Using 8.5 by 11 as my page size, the image that ends up being imported into KDP has to be 17.5 inches by 11.32 something inches at 300 dpi. So what I've done here is I have my book in PowerPoint, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to save the first page and the last page, which are my title and back cover pages, as PNG files. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these PNG files into Microsoft Paint, create a canvas that is double width of the two images, and paste them side by side. And the rule is for KDP is that the back page has to be on the left and the front page has to be on the right. Carefully positioning here, so we'll save it. Now, when I save this in Paint, it will not be the right dimensions for KDP, and if I try to send it there or convert to PDF that way, it won't work. So what I do is I load it into Gimp, and then I change the resolution by doing a scale image. So this is where I change it to inches, and I change it to pixels per inch for the resolution, 17.5, 11.323 at 300 dpi. I save that. I'm confirming here that I have the right dimensions for the image, and I write it out to the system as a PDF. It will save it at that scale, that resolution and image size, DPI. Once it's saved as a PDF, I can then jump into KDP and go through all the steps to get to the point where I'm ready to upload the cover here. And I go into this tool, and I do not use the creator, at which point I have successfully uploaded it. I skip that step and launch the preview. It'll prepare the files and do whatever it has to do. It does checks. And then you want to see quality check here with no errors. What I was commonly seeing is that it was telling me that whatever size I came in with on my PDF, it was off by fractions of an inch, and it was getting really frustrating to figure out how to make it work. Hopefully, this process that I'm showing you here today will help you with publishing to KDP. Thanks.